Hey, it's Eran here doing a quick tutorial about creating a, um, a thumbnail for a YouTube video. Okay, so I've done a bunch of tutorials in the past and so on this, on different ways that I got creative on doing this and so on. Like this is an example, right? And I'm just going to tell you right now, ignore all of those because I think, I didn't find, I've just recently discovered the ultimate way to really create this. And this is a software which is completely free. It's called CANVA. Okay, it is just awesome. Okay, so you can see I created thumbnails like this one for a course, right? And each part of the course is kind of just change the title. And basically, you could do anything with Canva. You could do social media posts, posters, Facebook cover, flyer, Facebook post, Instagram post, blog banner, card, email header, Twitter post, Pinterest graphic, Facebook app, Tumblr graphic, you name it. Okay, you could do pretty much anything. Book covers as well, um, infographics, logos, brochures, business cards, YouTube thumbnail, YouTube channel, like the header and so on, Twitter header, and it just goes on and on. LinkedIn as well, SoundCloud, Facebook ad, and so on. Okay. Now you could upgrade if you want. There is actually no affiliate program for this, unfortunately. I would have, otherwise I would be so happy to promote this. But to be honest, I just use the free version and it works beyond perfect. So you don't even need to get the thing. You just click. So I got a YouTube template that I just kind of worked on, and so let's play around with it. So I'm just going to replace this crappy one with a proper one. So I need a JVZoo picture somewhere. So I don't know if I have a JVZoo picture, so I'm just going to find something from online. Oops. So let's see what we find. Let's see, images. There you go. Okay. I like orange, right? So let's just do that. I'll just copy. I'll just do a screenshot of this one. And yeah, I think that's good enough. So let's go back to Canva, and then all you gotta do is go to uploads. I'm gonna upload an image. This is on my desktop. I've uploaded a lot of images as well. I have a lot of images. If you want to get a ton of images that you can use for Canva, like you can pay the yearly subscription if you want, and that's fine. But I actually, when I bought a ebook creator software, and when I paid for that software, what I did is, you see I got all these images that go with it, right? Food images, lines. I've only uploaded like literally 10%, right? These are all the images that I got. Phone, pictures, stars, different types of people, animations, holidays, heart, bit of animals, bit of nature, symbols, more food, more symbols. This is all stuff that you can create, and then I've uploaded these ones as well for my marketing. This is JVZoo. So let's see. So what did I call this particular one? I called it JVZoo Marketing Made Simple. Okay, so let's do that. can switch it around. Okay, so good. Now let's make this a bit smaller. You can see how you can play around with it. You can also see how you can move it, and it will actually, you can see the line, so it will adjust just the right size. Make it smaller. Perfect. Good. Make this a bit smaller. You can adjust it, move it around, do whatever you want. You can add more stuff if you want. I want to keep it simple. Let's see, I want to add this little money symbol. No, I don't want to add that. Anyway, you get the idea. So then let's do this. Let's now download this. Click download. Now I've got this as a few pages, so I just want the last one, which is this one. Done. Download. Preparing your design. Little cute quote. Then you can obviously get the free trial, and here's the final version. Look at this. Obviously, you can pay the monthly thing if you want. I'm not gonna do that right now. And then let's go find it. It's on my downloads. Here it is. Place, save, and there you go. Simple, clean, and awesome. So there you go. You will see also that I've recently started doing this, so I've started replacing old images, right? So I've got this so far, and there'll be more that I'm adding. You see I've done a whole bunch here. And I think this is really important to really get that consistency from a brand perspective. So there you go. Hope that helps, and I'll see you in the next video, and we'll speak soon. Thanks. Bye.